Hi everyone, I am Roshni and today with the Property Cloud, we are talking about one of the Hyderabad's most elite ultra luxury residential project, and the name of the project is Casa Luxura by Rajpushpa, located in Neopolis, Kokapet. In this video, we will cover the project overview, location and connectivity, amenities, pricing, booking offers and much more. So let's start with a quick overview of the project. Casa Luxura by Rajpushpa is an ultra-luxury residential development spread across 7.75 acres in the prestigious Neopolis micromarket. It's often called the crown of Neopolis and it's designed for ultra-high net worth buyers who are looking for scale, privacy and iconic living. The project features 5 sleek high-rise towers going up to 50 floors with a total of just 595 uber luxury residences, which keeps the density low and exclusivity high. Around 72% of the space is open, giving it a very spacious and premium feel. The architecture is modern and elegant, and the residences are large format with very exclusive layouts. Overall, this project offers a rare combination of height, space, and privacy in one of the Hyderabad's fastest growing luxury corridor. And now coming to the location and connectivity, Casa Luxura is located in Neopolis, Kokapet, which is one of the most sought after residential zone near the financial district. From here, you are very well connected to key parts of the city. Phoenix Green and Global Edge School are just about 5 minutes away. Continental Hospital is around 10 minutes away, and the financial district and Wipro Circle are roughly 15 minutes away. Even major lifestyle hub like IKEA and High Tech City are within 15 minutes, and the airport is about 20 minutes from here. Kokapet and Neopolis are quickly emerging as premium real estate hotspot with a strong infrastructure growth and excellent future appreciation potential. Moving on to the amenities and lifestyle, so Casa Luxura is designed to deliver a next level luxury living experience with a large scale high-end amenities. There is a massive 60,000 square feet luxury clubhouse along with a stunning 35,000 square feet panoramic sky deck at a height of around 650 feet, which is major highlight. The sky deck itself has a 25 feet high experience, and there are also 30,000 square feet of stilt level amenities with 24 feet ceiling height, giving everything a grand and open feel. Inside the apartment, you get a 12 feet floor to floor height, which enhances the sense of space. Along with this, there are premium wellness zone, fitness area, leisure spaces, landscape open spaces, and a multi-layered security system. The whole idea here is vertical luxury living with a breathtaking view, privacy, and a world-class lifestyle. Now let's talk about the pricing and configuration. So the Casa Luxura offers only ultra spacious 4 BHK residences. So this is clearly targeted at the top luxury segment. The sizes range from about 5,735 to 7,790 square feet with starting price from 7.45 crore rupees onwards. The layouts are available in both east-facing and west-facing options across different towers, and these homes are designed with a massive living areas, high ceiling, private zone and ultra-premium specification, making them ideal for buyers who want a truly luxurious and expansive home. And now finally, let's talk about the booking process. So booking a residence here follows a structured and transparent process designed specifically for premium buyers. You can check the brochure, floor plans or the latest pricing details through the link in the description, and also schedule a private site visit. NRI clients from the US, UK, UAE, Europe and Singapore can also connect through the same platform. So overall, if you are looking for an ultra luxury home in Hyderabad that offers scale, exclusivity and a landmark address, then Casa Luxura by Rajpushpa is definitely worth considering. And if you enjoy such premium luxury property videos, then don't forget to subscribe to Property Cloud. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developer for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services, and much more.